Hi guys, we are in Squid Game Sky Fighters Part 2. So now, we're fighting here. As you see, we're gonna punch this guy. Oh, we're not gonna punch anyone. Cause we're old. We're player 100. Ah! Ala! No! Guys, we died. It's so hard. Cause the blue guy pushed me. The blue-haired guy. So we're gonna get here and see you in the game. So guys, we find this guy. We're gonna be vlogging with him. So wait. So guys, we find this guy. We find... Oh no. Yeah, this guy. Oh shit. Why are you fighting me? With shift lock. It's easy to fight when you're getting shift lock. Ah! Oh, he got the pole. Where's the guy? Oh no! He died! Did he die? Where's the guy? Oh, there. Ah! Help me! Dingle fart. Where's Dingle fart? Ala! Kinakalaban siya nun. Ayun, parang si Juliet. We're getting this thing. Wait. Yo,